In this video, I will show you how you can fix the one AirPod is not working issue on any AirPod. Now, to fix this issue, first of all, on your iPhone, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just tap on Bluetooth. From here, just tap on the eye icon in front of the name of your AirPod, and at the bottom of this page, just select Forget this device. Tap on Forget device, and after you do that, now on your AirPod, just open the lid. Now from here, just double tap 3 times on the LED on your AirPods case. As you can see, this is once, this is the second time, and this is the third time. And after you do that, it will beep 3 times and it will show an orange light. After it shows the orange light, then this means that you have reset your AirPod. Now if you're using an AirPod Pro or any other AirPod which have a button at the back, just press and hold the button until it shows the orange LED on your AirPods case. Now after you have done the reset process, now just close the lid and wait for a few seconds and open the lid again. Now just pair your AirPod with your iPhone. As you can see, it is currently showing this glitch. So I'll tap on the X icon and let's go to the settings, and from here just tap on Bluetooth, and under devices just tap on the name of your AirPod. After you connect your AirPod, then just check if your issue is fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then just check that both of these AirPods are fully charged or not. Sometimes this issue appears when one AirPod is charged but the other one is not charged. Now to check if your AirPod is charged or not, just go back, and after you pair your AirPod with your iPhone, you will see the AirPod option on the screen. Now just tap on AirPod, and from here just take out both of your AirPods from their case and check how much charge they have. Now if I put one AirPod in the case, as you can see, one of them has started charging, and if I put both of them in charge, now if it shows that both of them are charging, then this is a good sign. But if both of them are charging and if it only shows that one is charging and the other is not, then just remove the AirPod which is not charging from the case and then blow into the place of the AirPod, because there might be any dirt or debris which might be blocking the pins from charging your AirPod. So just blow into the place or just use a Q-tip to clean the charging area. And after you do that, then just charge your AirPod again and this will fix your issue. But if this also did not fix your issue, then the last thing you can do on your iPhone, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just tap on Accessibility. From here, just scroll down and tap on Audio and Visual, and from here, you will find the option of Balance. Now if this balance slider is either on the left side or on the right side, one AirPod will not work. So make sure you balance this slider to the center. And after you do that, both of your AirPods will start working again. And this is how you can fix the one AirPod is not working issue on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.